Alliance. It means the Blue Alliance will have the first shift of the match. But right now, goes another volley from Icken Girls as the Blue Alliance now has an active hub. Well, they're trying to close the gap here, but it has been...
Oh my goodness, check out that score. We've got 10 seconds left. They're up to 655. 770. Oh my goodness. Check it out. We've got 5 seconds left. They can still score more. Still scoring more. And time expires. Oh my gosh.
It's a tie. Wow.
15 seconds left. And we're now past the P&W record. Can they break 600? 586 with 6 seconds left. Can they do it? Almost there. They can! At the end of the match!
Like Beast Robotics able to get that level 1 traverse during autonomous.
Oh. It's 50 good start at Team 100. Collides with 1323. 1323. Where the Red Alliance is perched on top of the fuel bump, but they figured it out. And the Blue Alliance, we got 39-20.
In the autonomous period by the Red Alliance, and of course now it's the Blue Alliance's turn.
Here comes another dump of fuel from the Blue Alliance. Dragonators have a few more pieces. We got the Foley Flare, they drop.
Team Neutrino is launching. Tower Robotics feeding into Team Neutrino consistently, allowing them to continue shooting. Tower Robotics now going to zip off and go pick up some more as Neutrino finishes their cycle.
Cloverbots as well as 4488 Shockwave.
Getting the big wins off. Fuel starts to fly. Red Alliance spending it away. Blink.
Blind 82 is preventing 931 from getting over that bump. 931 gonna take it. Oh my goodness!
Angle. This is going to be a fun match to rewatch. We've got a minute left with 60-59 trying hard to get their partners 247 back on their feet. Oh, right! What an amazing effort!
469 made it back. 2851 beached on some balls in the middle. That's very bad for them. In fact, they're in the way of their partner. Their partner tips them over.
To their hub. Meanwhile, over on the red side of the field, we have a lot of red robots over by their bump. Their shift has started. We have some fuel going up from Ursuline.
Night Vision is still trying to score as there is 7 seconds left of their last period shift.
We're going to demonstrate how you can enter the field. It's going to be a team of the
And do you know who you'd like to select for your first pick?
Six, seven.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FIRST alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.